In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to link Jira to Confluence. This process can streamline your workflow and make project management more efficient by allowing you to seamlessly navigate between these two powerful tools. So let's dive into the steps. First, start by navigating to the specific Confluence space that you want to connect to your Jira project. It's essential to choose the right space because this is where the link will be displayed, allowing users in that space to access the Jira project easily. Once you're in the desired Confluence space, focus your attention on the left-hand sidebar. In the sidebar, you'll find an option to add shortcuts, typically denoted by a plus symbol. Clicking this will open a new dialog box where you can create direct links to external resources, including your Jira projects. Next, you'll need to switch gears for a moment and head over to your Jira account. Locate the project that you wish to link to Confluence and simply copy the project's URL from your web browser's address bar. Remember, it's crucial to copy the complete URL to ensure there are no errors when setting up the link. Once you have the Jira project URL copied, return to Confluence, and in the dialog box you previously opened, you'll find a designated URL field. Paste the Jira project URL here. This allows Confluence to know exactly which Jira project it's pointing to, creating a bridge between the two platforms. Now that the URL is in place, it's a good practice to give your shortcut a meaningful name. Think of a name that precisely describes the Jira project or its purpose, making it easier for you and your team to identify it at a glance. A clear, descriptive name will prevent confusion and save time when multiple shortcuts are involved. With the URL and name filled out, it's time for the final step, clicking Insert. By doing this, your new shortcut will be added to the Confluence space, appearing conveniently in the sidebar. Now your Jira project is just one click away whenever you're working within Confluence. To ensure everything is working correctly, test the new shortcut by clicking on it. This should take you directly to the Jira project you linked, confirming that the connection has been successfully established and is ready to improve your workflow. And there you have it, an efficient and straightforward way to link Jira to Confluence. This not only enhances accessibility, but also promotes a streamlined interface between the two platforms, allowing for more cohesive and productive project management. Thank you for joining me in this guide, and I hope this tutorial has helped make your project management tasks a little bit smoother. See you next time.